Hi everyone. Today we'll be looking over a Broan 174 wall heater. Before you begin, if this unit is mounted in the wall and power is wired up to it, please turn the breaker off. This unit has a couple of wiring options that we just want to show you today. The unit, and if you look at this red tag, I know it's backwards, but this tag tells you that this unit, this heater, is wired for 120 VAC supply. There's a couple wiring options. You can actually, if you don't want it, if right now it's set up at 120, it runs at about 12.5 amps at 1500 watts. Now you could cut that wattage basically in half and run it at 750 watts at approximately 6.25 amps at 120 volts. And by doing so, all you have to do is remove one of the two black wires that is connected to the motor, just like so. That's all it is. I recommend just wire tying it. If you have a wire tie, just prevent it from getting into anything. You also can wire this unit 240 volt. So this unit will run 240 volt at 6.25 amps at 1500 watts. And what you would have to do to run it at 240, you do this wire configuration. You're going to remove one of the black wires. So I'm going to remove this black wire right here. You're going to disconnect these two white wires. You're going to take this white wire right here and you're going to connect it to the black wire that you disconnected, like so. Now this unit is wired for 240 volt at 1500 watts at 6.25 amps. And that's all it is. I hope this video helps.